Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel. Connecting Xero to Microsoft Excel is one of the most useful ways to combine cloud accounting with spreadsheet analysis. While Xero is excellent for managing accounting records, many businesses still rely heavily on Excel for deeper reporting, forecasting, dashboards, reconciliations, and custom financial analysis. By connecting the two systems, you can move accounting data more efficiently between Xero and Excel instead of manually exporting reports every time. Xero does not directly become Excel itself. Instead, you usually connect them using integration apps, add-ons, connectors from the Xero App Store. These tools help transfer and sync data between the platforms. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the integration marketplace. At the top right area of Xero, click Apps. Then click Open Xero App Store. The Xero App Store is Xero's marketplace for approved integrations and software connections. It contains apps designed to work alongside Xero. Use the search button and search for Excel. You'll usually see various apps and connectors that integrate Xero with Excel. Different apps may offer reporting automation, live spreadsheet syncing, financial dashboards, export/import tools. Choose one of the apps that seems most convenient for your needs. Before installing, it's important to review features, pricing, permissions, reviews, compatibility. Scroll downward and review the app information carefully. Once satisfied, click Get this app. Xero begins the authorization and integration setup process. You'll now see a permission request asking for access. Click Allow Access. You're authorizing the app to interact with your Xero data. Once the app opens, click Connect to Xero. The integration now attempts to establish a live connection between your Xero organization and the Excel integration app. Choose the Xero organization you want to connect. Finally, click Allow Access. The app is now officially connected to your Xero organization. Depending on the integration, you may now be able to pull reports into Excel, sync accounting data, build live spreadsheets, automate financial analysis. To summarize, connecting Xero to Microsoft Excel begins by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the App section at the top right corner. From there, you open the Xero App Store and search for Excel integrations using the search bar. After selecting an app that fits your needs, you review its features and permissions before clicking Get this app. You then authorize access, open the app, and click Connect to Xero. Finally, you select the organization you want to connect and click Allow Access to complete the integration. This process allows businesses to combine Xero's accounting data with Excel's spreadsheet and analysis capabilities. And that's how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel. This integration becomes especially powerful when you start using Excel for deeper financial analysis, forecasting, and dashboards, instead of relying only on standard accounting reports. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.